Hey guys, one of the best intake cleaners ever made has issued a recall. Liqui moly, that's right. The Liqui moly petrol engine decarb and the Liqui moly diesel engine decarb. I'll include the product numbers. Also, I'll show you exactly what the problem is. There have been complaints coming in because people have been following the instructions, spraying into the intake, and they have sprayed so much liquid in, they have damaged their engine, because you know that the engine cannot compress a liquid with the piston. However, you're spraying too much. Now, I will say this, the Liqui moly decarb, you can see in this photo right here that there's a melt on the tubing they give you with the can. Now this can spray out the sides of the tubing, causing damage to property or even injury. I mean, this stuff could go all over you, spray you in your eyes. I hope you're wearing safety glasses. However, I will say this, after using many great products by Liqui moly, like the Liqui moly valve clean, the Liqui moly ejectron, the Liqui moly engine flush, and so many more tests that I've conducted, you can go see for yourself. They really are great products. I have nothing against Liqui moly, and this is just a minor problem really, but it could be a major problem, not to mention people not following the instructions, or they're not following them in a detailed manner as you should. You can see just how well the intake valve cleaner works for the Liqui moly. I mean, the stuff is absolutely incredible. Now, I even used it for a direct injection engine, or GDI. I just added the intake valve cleaner to a spray bottle and used it this way. Now, always follow the manufacturer's instructions. And guys, please, thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto, and let us know, have you ever had a problem with Liqui moly? Or have you had success? We always appreciate your kindness.